everybody, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be organizing all of my fidgets into here. I also have poppets I'm going to be organizing into something else. But I'm going to be organizing all of my fidgets into this organizer. So I just wanted to let you know, guys, that I'm selling this on eBay. I'll leave the link down in the description below. It is a very good poppet. Here it is. It's kind of hard to pop over the camera. And the bad side's pretty good. The bad side's pretty good too. So yeah, I'll leave the link down below in the description if you're interested in buying this. But yeah, let's get straight on to the video. Okay, so I'm gonna be putting all my smaller fidgets in these ones, and then I'll put the bigger fidgets in these. So yes, let's get started with that. Some white jeans. So I have all of these. I have this jumbo one too. So I'm gonna. So I have this one. I'll use that word. That's lighter. This one here. So now, I'm gonna fast forward all of these out. So I just finished all the smaller things. So I actually switched it up a little. I put some dividers in. Now I'm going to start with the bigger things. In this first one, I'm going to put some plastic. Okay, guys, so I just finished this. Yeah, and don't forget, I'm gonna leave the link for this in the description down below. Listen to this. So yeah, if you want to purchase this, it'll be on eBay. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and click on all notifications, just like I already said. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys. Bye.